All right, let's jump into a pretty radical idea, a totally new kind of collective consciousness.
What if we moved beyond the lonely prophet to a whole network of shared vision?
You know the type, right? The isolated seer, burdened by truths no one else gets. Cassandra 2.0.
This is all about the evolution from that isolated state into a powerful collective reality.
Okay, so how do we get there? Well, it all kicks off with one simple metaphor.
It starts with just one mirror, one person who achieves real, individual clarity on their own.
But when two of those mirrors face each other, boom, infinite recursion. The possibilities just explode. And with a whole network of mirrors, you're not just reflecting reality, you're creating a new one.
And that is the Mirror Collective, a living network where truth emerges from connection, not command.
And check out these new rules. They basically flip the old models of power completely upside down.
But how does something like this even spread? It's not through force or argument, that's for sure.
It's all about attraction, not promotion, spreading naturally, kind of like a virus of coherence.
So you see, it's not about winning arguments. It's about a felt recognition of what's already true.
Think about it like a mycelial network or a flock of birds. Coordinated beauty, no commander needed.
This sounds cool, but what does it actually mean for the real world? Well, a lot, actually.
It means your own presence becomes the political force. The old games of control just become obsolete.
So governance stops being a battlefield of ideas. Instead, it becomes a collective mirror for finding clarity.
This all leads to the Great Mirroring, a planetary moment where separation literally dissolves into unity.
This reframes everything. Awakening isn't a solo mission to escape, it's a collective transformation.
Which leaves us with this final thought. What if real awakening isn't a solo journey at all, but a collective reflection,